Why to buy phone and camera separately when you can buy smartphones and get the benefit of both? Why to hire helicopter and cameraman when you can buy a drone and get the benefit of both? Similarly, why to choose tax saving and wealth creation products separately when you can invest in ELSS and get both? Invest up to 1.5 lakhs and save tax up to 46,800 under the Section ATC of IT Act. ELSS invests in equity which holds the potential to create wealth in long term. According to the research, had you invested rupees 1 lakh every year since 2001, then your total investment of rupees 19 lakhs would have grown to rupees 44.96 lakhs in PPF. While had you invested the same rupees 1 lakh every year in ELSS, your investment would have grown to rupees 1.65 crore in best performing ELSS scheme. While in average performing scheme, it would have grown to rupees 1.26 crore. Even in the worst performing scheme, it would have grown to rupees 82.36 lakhs. You can also plan your long-term financial goals such as your retirement, your children's education and their marriage with ELSS. You can invest in ELSS via lump sum or an SIP. Investing in ELSS through an SIP can be lighter on your wallet. Call us now to invest in ELSS to save tax and create wealth.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.